To import prices and stock using Google Sheets link, you first need to create a new Google Sheets document. So for that you will need your Gmail account. Open your Gmail and go to Google Apps and open Drive. After that, select New Google Sheets. And you will have your blank spreadsheets document. So you need to add these columns for it. First one will be SKU, which is your product supplier code. Then it is EAN, which is your product's barcode. Then follows stock. And then we will add the prices column. So you will need to add prices for each country. So price LT will be price for Lithuania. And also you need to add price LT after discount, in case you will start using discounts for your products as well. So you need to do the same also for Latvia. So it will be price LV. And also for Estonia. So price EE and price EE after discount. And the last one will be delivery hours, which will be delivery hours to the warehouse. After this is done, you have to enter the information about all the products that you want to activate. Also remember, when this document will be imported in the system will read all the current information exactly from this document, which means that you need to keep track of your stock. For example, if for some products the stock will be reducing, you have to change it in this document so that the system sees all the actual information. The same goes for prices. For example, if you want to change your discount price or remove it, then you have to make the changes here so the system sees them. And the same goes also for adding new products. You will have the same document all the time, so when you will have some new products, you will just simply add new positions in the same document. After this, you click on Share button. You can name the document as you want, so you can find it later. Press Save. And in this moment, always remember to change the availability of the link. Usually it is set to restricted, so what you need to do is click on the Get Link button and change the status from restricted to anyone with the link. And here stays Viewer. You just press Done. And so the document is ready for import. So what you do is copy the link of this document, go to the system, open Products, Stock and Prices Import, press Create, and select this one, Import from Link, Google Sheets. Enter the copied link and press Confirm. Now here are the settings of the document. For the refresh time, we usually suggest to put every hour, so the system every hour reads if there is any new information added in your document. And here you can select an option. If you remove any product from the file, then the system changes its stock value to 0. So here you can select Yes. Then click Next. And this is a very simple one. You basically need to map the attributes in your feed with the system. So you simply open each window and select, for example, SKU, EAN, price LT, price LV, price EE, stock, and delivery hours. And after this is done, you press Execute Import. The system will process the file and all the information will be imported in the system. So that's it.